birthday, JB-N. Grabe, bilis ng panahon. Dati, mga 5 years old. Diba na? 4? Nung una tayo nagkita. Natatandaan ko pa dati. Ayaw mag-play ng violin pag iba yung tuturo sa iyo. So, wish ko, sana magkita pa rin tayo, mapag-lesson ka sa violin, at ipagpatuloy natin yung pag-violin mo. At syempre, good health, at pakabait lagi. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Jabien! Happy birthday to you! Ika-7th year mo pa lang dito sa mundo, pero ang dami mo nang na-achieve. Natuto kang magpatugtog ng iba't ibang musical instruments, mahilig ka mag-drawing, at ang galing mo pa sa eskwelahan, ang tataas pa ng grades mo. Ipagpatuloy mo yan, dahil tiyak na wala kang pagsisisihan. Basta, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Yan lang ang importante. Ang sabi nga nila, it is not about smart children, it is about happy children who have the confidence and courage to learn and pursue things dear to their heart. Always be happy, Jabien! Happy 7th birthday to you!
Hi, Jabien! I prepared a simple video lang to greet you. Happy 7th birthday, JB! You, as well as your parents, have reached a milestone. This is a mark that you are becoming a big and independent girl na. For me, Jabien is our little ray of sunshine. She brings joy and laughter to our family. You should know that you are very impressive at such a young age. You have innate intelligence, you possess a lot of skills and knowledge, you acknowledge your strengths, you explore many things, you are confident, and you always strive to be the best. And because of those things, we are so proud of you. You have a bright future ahead of you. Just pursue the things that makes you happy. You might be motivated by achievements, medals, and praises, but remember that the most important things are the learnings, experiences, and memories that you'll cherish forever. Also, a little reminder lang na it's okay to make mistakes, kaya don't get frustrated or sad when things doesn't go your way, because that's how you truly learn and improve yourself. Lastly, take care of yourself and strive to always be content and happy. I hope you'll continue on being a dutiful child, a diligent student, and a good friend. I wish you good health, safety, and success on your YouTube channel. Many more birthdays to come. Once again, happy birthday from Ate PM.
Hi JB, and happy birthday. I hope you'll have a wonderful day surrounded by the people you love. Nung huli kitang nakita is baby ka pa and now you just turned 7. Just keep shining and make all your dreams come true. You are loved, and I wish you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. God bless you. Happy 7th birthday. I hope to see you again soon.
Happy 7th birthday, JB, wish you all the best. Be a good girl always. Enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, JB. Parang kailan lang ang liit mo pa. Enjoy mo lang ang pagiging bata. Be a good girl and we love you. See you soon.
Hi, Jabien!
Hola, amigos! Nandito kami para i-greet ka sa iyong magandang kaarawan.
Happy 7th birthday! Advance happy 7th birthday, Jabien! Ang wish ni Uncle Third mo ito. Anong wish ni Uncle Third?
Ang aming ikinirarangal na sana matupad ang iyong mga pangarap sa iyong ika-7 kaarawan. Sa iyong kaarawan, ikaw pagpapalain ng kayamanan, ng kaalaman.
Tumingin ka na kaya? Naintindihan mo, baby? Happy birthday again, baby JB, 7th birthday. We wish you all the best. Stay pretty. Stay intelligent. Always follow mommy and daddy because they are doing everything they can to give you a beautiful life. And Uncle Third and I will always be here for you. So, advance happy 7th birthday again, JBN. Bye-bye! Mwah!
Hello, Jaben! Happy 7th birthday! Ang wish naman sa'yo, sana lagi kang healthy at lagi kang masaya.
Yeah. Pero fun fact muna bago tayo magtapos. So, happy 7th birthday. The French calls 7 years the age of reason, meaning that you can now make your own decisions, do the right thing, even if no one is looking. Okay? Again, happy 7th birthday, Jabien. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jabien!
Hello, Jabien. Happy birthday. Ang mabait kong apo, 7 years old na. Sana'y pagpatuloy mo ang iyong katalinuhan sa pag-aaral mo.
Hi, JB! Happy birthday! Happy 7th birthday! God bless! Hello! Hi! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! From all of us! Happy birthday!
Hi, Javienne! You are stunning, baby. You make us always proud. Keep it up and just be a good daughter always. And in that way, happy na rin si Ninang kahit di tayo madalas nagkikita. And sooner or later, basta maging okay lang, magkikita din tayo for sure. And happy birthday to you. Sana lagi kang happy and lagi kayong safe ni mommy and daddy mo. I love you. Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Bye-bye. Miss you.
Hello! Happy 7th birthday, my inaanak JB. Simula nung pinanganak ka, hindi pa tayo nakakapagkita. But hopefully, after this pandemic, makakapag-meet tayo in person kasama si baby Ethan ko. Ang description ko sa'yo, based sa mga nakikita ko sa pictures mo sa FB, alam ko naman na isa kang smart, kind, nice, at beautiful little girl like your mommy. Ang maipapayo ko lang, sundin mo lang yung mga sinasabi ng magulang mo kasi wala naman silang sasabihin na ikasasama mo. Lahat yung para sa ikabubuti mo. At sana, in the future, ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay lagi kang maging masaya sa mga choices na pipiliin mo. Ingat ka lagi. I miss you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy 7th birthday, Jabienne. God bless you always. Enjoy your day. I miss you. See you soonest. Keep safe. I miss you. Heart Althea.
Jabienne, happy birthday si Kobe to. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sayang, hindi kami makakapunta dyan.
Jabienne, si Sophie to. Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi. Jabienne, sorry, hindi kami makapunta dyan. Sige, ingat ka palagi dyan. Sana magiging masaya ka. Bye-bye! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jabienne. Ang wish ko, JBN, ay sana magkita tayo ulit para maglaro. Goodbye! Enjoy your day! Happy birthday! Bye-bye! Happy birthday, JBN! Stay safe! God bless mo!
Happy birthday, JBN! Enjoy your birthday! Stay safe! God bless you always!
Hi, Javen! Happy 7th birthday! This is Teacher Monica. Si Javen ay very sweet, kind, pretty,
respectful, and also very sweet. Ang advice ko para sa'yo, sana ipagpatuloy mo na yung pagiging mabait mo and follow ka lang lagi kay mommy and kay daddy and huwag magiging matigas yung ulo mo and wish ko naman para sa yung wish ko naman for you is sana maging consistent ka sa pag-aaral, lalong sumipag at pagbutihan mo yung pag-aaral mo para makuha mo yung gustong-gusto mong dream. And sana one day magkita ulit tayo. I miss you. God bless you. Happy birthday!
Hi, JBN! It's me, Teacher Luri. Do you still remember me? I just want to greet you a happy birthday! Here from Qatar. And I can describe JBN as a shy, a smart, and a talented kid. And I just want you to continue excelling at school and continue developing your talents because you can use that one to show to everyone what you can do. And my wish for you is to be healthy always together with your family, away from sickness, especially now with the pandemic. And to continue to be a loving daughter to your mommy and daddy. Happy birthday! Hope to see you soon in the Philippines. Love you!
Happy birthday, JBN! Pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabait, talented, masipag na bata, lalo na sa kanyang pag-aaral. May all your birthday wishes come true. Happy birthday again! I miss you!
Hi, JBN! Happy 7th birthday! I hope that you enjoy your birthday today. And for me, you are a good and a talented child. So I'm wishing you all the love, sunshine, and laughter, not just today, but all the days after your birthday. Goodbye!
Birthday, JBN. God bless and continue to study hard. I miss you and I love you, JBN. See you soon. Ingat palagi.
Hi, JBN. This is Teacher Froy. Happy 7th birthday. Sobrang bilis lang ng panahon. Dati natatandaan ko para first birthday mo sa Mother Shepherd, Mickey Mouse ang theme. Ngayon, 7 years old ka na. And I just want you to know na sana paglaki mo, mapapanood mo to at hindi mo makakalimutan ang mga naging teacher mo. At same with us, JBN, isa ka sa mga estudyanteng hindi namin makakalimutan. Hope you're enjoying your birthday kahit nasa gitna tayo ng pandemic. At I want you to know na kahit na anong mangyari, lagi kaming nakasuporta. Happy birthday! Stay safe and God bless, JBN!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wish!
Ano wish mo?
You wish na.
Sana na-safe tayo lahat at nagkaroon sana na wala tayong COVID.